beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's unpack on Thabo Bester and Nandipha. They appeared in court with their 10 co-accused. When he came in, Bester, guys, he was busy greeting these guys. I was just like, Nina, you think this is funny, basically. I was just like, for real, guys. And then these two, when they saw each other, the reaction was priceless. We were all waiting. They love birds. They are meeting in the dock again. Not even again, guys. The last time they saw each other, these people was in April, because omunye usekhorisa Mampuru, omunye ngithi ubuse Bloemfontein. Angimazi ukuthi uThabo Bester ufike nini eBloemfontein, guys. Ubehlaka ngenanking bebukana, gazing at each other's eyes. I was like, wow, guys, it's like in some movie. Or you like childhood sweethearts. So it postponiwe ke futhi icase yabo again. Work abantu abathola amabhili. Abantu ade behleke khobhili so bayinikeza labo bantu. Guys, you just let me know what you think of these two. Shame. Nale 10 co-accused. Kodwa abanye they were not smiling at them. The others were like whatever, you know. There were some guys who abangazange bambingele ngishubingele Bester, because it's the whole thing. You listen here, bra wangifakala, like I'm here because of you. Leave me alone. Abanye bebehleka naye. I was just like, wow. God, Khobereng's father was outside the court. He was like, no. He thanked Umzansi for and like Jay supporting him, and we've been there for him. No Action SA bonke abantu who've supported him. So guys, let me know what you think of that. But yeah, we're not gonna forget anytime soon, guys. I mean, please. Mina nje ngiyazazi ngenze ngikhohle. Ngisho isibody ingane senithi yawe edrobheni ukuthi mhlambe jethi zana ayibulali. Hayi. Senithi yawe edrobheni yashona. Bese no answers phela around kahle eqobo ibearings dabazi. Ngisasifuna ukwazi ukuthi ngempela ingane yabulawa yini at the end of the day. Wayemntwana kahle kahle. And washiya ingane eziwu2 kahle. He was a father, guys. I mean, ingane zakhe izokhula zingena baba. Azazi noswabulawa yini babazi. At some stage wayeseshiswa emacourt. I mean, not emacourt njalo cells, in the prison cells. Like, really? No, guys. Just let me know what you think, guys. These two nje abantu abayazi kuba in love. Laba babili. Siyabonga, guys. Thank you.